India started off with a hunger problem. Now we have a nutrition problem.
Yeah.
Right?
If you go to a place like Punjab, where farming and where dairy is absolutely at its best and purest, see the kind of people that are there, see the health, see the life kind of life that they're living. That's because they're actually consuming the purest stuff. And that similar thing when you go down to other places which are more commercialized, like Mumbai and all, where it's not possible to get that freshest form of milk or products. See the kind of human beings that are roaming around today, including all of us. I would not.
No, for sure.